Karkum ka hukum juga High Court dangshen labatha bade ban Talasi ru iki kali Shipai yo kumno ra kumno ki kid iki jingdi ki basneu lani yo drugs Hakabede bakani na kaliang menteri ki kampo ye juga sarkar Jylla le thu bo amjiyo ajing tebi halor ka jingki drugs jongki kali Shipai Hindray namar ka jing hukum juga High Court ka Jylla kan le ka bidon kam na ka benda ka jing baha jong pat ba nong shong shnong
See, I have no information regarding that army trucks have been used for the purpose of transporting of drugs. But when the Honorable High Court has given that order last week, so it is a duty of the state to see and where and how, so that because whether the High Court or the government, we are working for interested or for interest of the public. So whatever good for the public we will do, and if at all it is needed, we will surely see that this thing could be. We have to implement if we got any information regarding that transporting of drug or anything using the army vehicle.